How do you make an impressive argument that will impact your audience in a meaningful way? First, your argument needs to be valid and sound. What does that mean? In short, it means your reasoning is solid and the evidence backs it up. To be valid, your argument needs to have a logical structure with premises that infer your conclusion. This means your premises, the reasons you're giving for your argument, must lead to the conclusion you're making. To make your argument sound, you need to provide factually true evidence to back up your claims. This could include data, expert opinions, or even anecdotes that illustrate your point. Then take the next step and test the veracity of the evidence. Keep an open mind throughout the process. Adjust your analysis and conclusions if you find the evidence you have is weak, flawed, or just plain wrong. But it's not just about having evidence. You need to make sure it's relevant and convincing. Make sure to cite your sources and explain how they support your argument. Another key to making a strong argument is to anticipate objections and address them head on. This shows your audience that you've thought through your argument and considered other perspectives. And finally, use clear and concise language. Don't get bogged down in technical terms or jargon that your audience may not understand. Use examples and analogies to illustrate your points and make your argument more relatable. By making a valid and sound argument, you'll not only impress your audience, but also give them the confidence to make informed decisions. So get out there and make some impactful assessments based on clear and logical arguments.